Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord app if it's not working on your iPhone or iOS device. Basically this video is going to have multiple solutions. So Discord is in the bottom left of my home screen. I'm going to click into the application and let's just say there's a black screen or it's continuing to load and it's not working correctly. What you can do is basically back out of the application and then from the bottom press and sort of hold and swipe up. And then that's going to show you all of the different applications that are currently running on your iPhone device. From there, hold the Discord app and swipe up on it, and that will close Discord so that you can go back in, press the button in the bottom left, press the Discord app, and hopefully that fixes everything, relaunches the app and fixes all the bugs and gives you access to using Discord. However, if you're still having issues, make sure to go to the settings and actually figure out if you're using a good internet connection. So you can go to Wi-Fi and check that you're using a home stable Wi-Fi source. There's full bars right here, or you might need to use a personal hotspot if not. Also, you can go back out of the Wi-Fi settings right there and go to mobile data, press in there, and then from there, make sure that mobile data is actually toggled on and also that roaming is turned on as well, and you do have access to a stable internet source. From there, if things are still not working, you need to make sure that you're using the most up-to-date version of the application. And we can do that by going to the App Store. It's this blue button in the middle of my home screen. And then from there, go down to the bottom right, the search page, and up at the top, start typing in Discord, press search, and then that's going to bring up a bunch of different listings. Go to the first organic listing right here, the Discord app. On the right hand side, there's a button that says open. Basically, that means that we are indeed running the most up-to-date version of this app. But if that button actually says the word update, that means that you're not running the most up-to-date version of the application, and that may be why you're experiencing bugs and issues. So you can press update, press the update button. It's going to download all of the files and reinstall the app on your device. However, if things are still not working from there, go back to settings, go out of here, scroll down to general, find iPhone storage in the middle of the screen right here, and then scroll down until we find the Discord app. Here it is here, near the bottom of the page. Press into Discord, and then what we're going to do is clear the application cache from this device, because that may be one of the reasons why it's not working for you. So we can go to offload app, the blue text button, confirm by pressing offload app again, and then that's going to clear the cache from this device, from this application. You can press reinstall app, that's going to re-download Discord on this iPhone or iOS device. And from there, guys, we have basically cleared the cache from this device, from Discord. And if it's still not working, then go to the delete app button and we're going to hard reset by basically deleting the app and then re-downloading it from there. And hopefully that fixes things. So press the red text delete app, confirm by pressing delete app right here, and it will remove Discord from this device. You want to scroll up, go back to the home screen and then go to the App Store right here and find the Discord app. On the right hand side, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Press that, and then it's going to re-download Discord on this device. So guys, if you followed all of these different steps and it's still not working, make sure to actually contact Discord themselves by either finding a phone number or an email address or even a live chat option. Walk them through all of the different issues that you're experiencing, and then hopefully they will come up with a solution tailored directly for you. But if that's still not working, then comment down below on this video and tell me all of the things that you're experiencing, and then I will try and come up with a tailored solution for you directly as well. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.